Hello, here is Rodrigo Togores again from United Gosus, and we are going to make another video on Dueling Network. So let's see if we can find any player. Okay, I know here. We will try to play Patrick Hoban. I hope he saw me playing before. So I made a misplay against. Da, 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 da. So I won the dice and I will go into shark plus this. Okay, here's I'm going to search for this and for this and pass the turn and then try to get him storm plus game next turn. If he makes anything absolutely, I am going to prison him. Okay, I think he's going to thin mines. Okay, oh, maybe he's playing Dark World. Oh no, he's playing Wind Up. Okay. I'm going to search and to search. Okay, he's going to shockmaster me. Okay, now he gets his time walk, and he's going to obviously destroy and 1-5. Okay, that's not a big problem. Cause now, okay, now my plan changed. I'm going to storm him away. I got my cards, so this and this, and now I don't know what he's going to do, but I have better cards, and he maybe go into an exceed, which is okay. Use it both sharks? No, he has still one. If he goes for shark plus another shark, okay, and I do anything, he is most lost. So I don't think he's going to shark plus shark into 10 mighty, for example. I think maybe he's going to red into shark, and from there on try. Then at least if I bottom one of them, because I could be afraid of tears if I have bottomless, but if I have compulse, I can still get out of this. Or maybe he has a red and we are going to see the watcher chat while he thinks. The people speak really shit. Okay, I'm going to let it open here on the side, so but so depends really on his back row, on his hand. If he has red or okay, if he has reborn, I don't think he has reborn or red. He maybe has rabbit and the shark, or he didn't have pot also. He didn't have the pot, but okay, yeah. He's trying. I don't know who's going for game from this on, because if he goes for game, if I have any back row, he loses. But maybe okay. So this was it, and thanks for watching.